Hello beautiful queens, welcome to my channel. If wigs got you in a headlock and won't let go, this is the channel for you. So subscribe and keep vibing with me, girl. Now let's get into this wig. ISEE hair is always a vibe. I'm telling you, they never disappoint. In the box you get your usual goodies, a thank you note, and the star of the show. This is a gorgeous body wave human hair wig, 20 inches long. It's a 7x5 lace closure wig. It comes to you pre-plucked and pre-cut. It comes with removable combs so you can take it off, put it back on, whatever you want. And the adjustable strap is removable as well. It comes with a grip for the nape, you know, to make sure that wig ain't going nowhere. And it's breathable. The cap is very breathable. See how you can see my finger through that? And they give you that C shape so it can lay comfortably around your ears. Love that. Now that HD lace, girl, do you see that? ISEE hair does not disappoint when it comes to the lace or the hair, I'm telling you. Now let's tint the lace with my ruby lace tint. Now the lace looked like it was already melting, honestly, like it came perfectly matching my skin tone. Did you see that, or am I bugging? Now all you gotta do is put it on, adjust the strap and tuck in the combs to make sure it's secured. And look at that lace. Look at that lace. I didn't need no melting spray. Melting spray who? But I still went in and used my Sticky Little Secret melting spray because I just couldn't help myself. I like that lace to be gone, you know? Now I have a love and hate relationship with the removable comb. I like it, but it tends to come off sometimes when I try to tuck it in. Is it just me? When I tell you I was having so much fun with this hair, like I couldn't help myself but run my fingers through it. It felt so soft. The lace, you could wear it glueless. Look at that. You could wear it glueless. But I was having so much fun with this hair. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, girl. The color, the silkiness, the softness, everything about this wig is gorgeous to me. One of the main key to a flawless install or a comfortable install is to hot comb the hair out of the way of the hairline. And it not only helps you to apply your melting spray easily without the hair being in the way, but it looks less wiggy, I should say. It looks very much natural when you hot comb that hairline back. I find using a thin brush like this one helps to apply that melting spray easier without any mess. And you want to hot comb. What are you talking, girl? You want to use cool air to make sure that that lace is melted, okay? Look at that. It disappeared. Look at that. Now you go ahead and apply that headband, and I like to make it tight. Not headache tight, but tight enough, you know? Leave that headband on for about 15 minutes. Well, I left it on while I styled, so it was way longer than 15 minutes. Look at the length. That's 20 inches. And I went ahead and cut about half an inch of that, or maybe an inch and a half. And I applied some layers, some face framing layers, nothing too crazy, just a little bit. And then I went ahead and continued to define that parting. Use a little bit of use a little bit of wax stick and a hot comb. Make sure that that wig is not looking like a helmet. You know, you want to flatten that down a little bit. Flatten it down. And then I applied some concealer on the hair. Girl, I can't talk. Apply some concealer on the parting, and then I used some heat protecting spray. Everything I use is going to be in the description box below, including the link to this gorgeous wig, girl. Everything I use is on my Amazon storefront. Okay, so let me tell you my thought process with these curls. Okay, so I wanted some loose curls, not too tight, you know. So I used my Tymo Airflow iron / curler. This is like my go-to sometimes when I just want a little something. And I sprayed with my hairspray. Everything will be linked in the description box along with this gorgeous wig. And then I wanted to just pin them up and spray them so they can stay. Now what I should have done was curl away from the face with the front layers, and it would have given it a little more oomph. And I did do it actually, as you saw in the beginning of the video. I'll show you after this one. Both ways looked cute, but I liked the curl away from the face one. You let me know in the comments what you think you like more. I love the smell of this hairspray. It smells really good. Taking off that wig band is always a vibe. But look at that lace. What lace? We don't know her. She's gone. She has left the building. I mean, look at that. Flawless. And now you want to make sure to comb out the edges just to make sure any hair that's stuck in the melting spray will fluff out, you know, so it won't look caked down, you know. And give that parting a little bump. It always makes a difference. It makes a huge difference. I love it. I couldn't stop staring at this hair. I couldn't stop staring at the hairline. I couldn't stop staring at myself. It's so pretty. The curls are bouncy. The density is 180, and it's natural. It's given natural. You don't need too much. It's a natural density. Curling it away from the face like this, it made a huge difference, and I love it. I think I like this one better. What y'all think? Right here, I'm just taking out the kinks, you know, to make it look smoother. Now I'm gonna hush my mouth and let you vibe out to some music while I style this beauty. Now you see it, girl. You see the difference? This hair is so pretty. I was so hyped. Now they give you some good parting space so you can style it almost any way you want. That honey blonde color is so vibrant and beautiful, and the hair is so silky. I have no cons for this wig. I love this wig, and you will too. I've linked it right in the description box just for you, queen. If you enjoyed this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and keep vibing with your girl. Now if you made it this far, I truly appreciate you, queen. I'll see you on the next one, girl.